I've been in your waters.
What is poppin', people, and welcome back to the single greatest tattoo tips channel on YouTube. You know we are, just saying. So guys, if you've been a long time sub, you will know that this channel is about helping everybody, whether you have just started, whether you are wanting to get into the tattoo industry, or whether you are years deep into the tattoo industry. Today guys, I want to speak to you guys that are thinking about coming into the tattoo industry, and more specifically thinking of whether you need to be talented at drawings and at art to be a tattoo artist. The short answer to that, guys, is no. You do not need to be talented. Before you click off, let me explain. So guys, you've got people with natural talent. You've got people with a God-given natural talent where they can just practically pick up anything just like that, and then suddenly they are off to the races and they are doing amazing work. They may need to just watch like one YouTube video. Say they watch a YouTube video on how to shade, and boom, they instantly know how to shade. Say they watch a YouTube video on texture. They watch one video, boom, they know how to do texture. Like, they have got a natural God-given talent to be able to pick something up and just do that thing pretty much straight away with little to no effort. Now, I wasn't like that. While those guys have that natural talent to be able to pick up something and just do it, I had to work hard to achieve what I wanted. Your boy had to embrace the struggles, deal with the frustrations, just to get a smidge, like a minuscule amount better. Let me show you what I mean. This was me. This was my level of drawing when I was thinking about becoming a tattoo artist. That is what I thought was sufficient enough to become a tattoo artist. Now let me tell you, I thought that that was the best thing ever. That nobody could draw better than me. That I was the dog's bullet. King shit. Swinging dick. I was the best at drawing. Just take another look at that. Just take another look. That is the attitude I had when I was producing work like that. Now, I never wanted to be a tattoo artist. It's not something that I had aspirations to be as a kid or anything like that. I literally got into tattooing, guys, because I'd just come out of the army. I was doing odd jobs here and there, and I was watching Miami Ink and LA Ink, I think it were. Might have just been Miami Ink. I don't know if LA Ink was out at that time, but I digress. So I was watching these tattoo programs and I thought that I could just do that. Like I said, I'd never had aspirations to do it, so I'd not practiced my drawings or anything like that. The only thing I did was take art in school. You know, in school and at that level I was pretty good, but you know, I'd done nothing since, and when I got to where I'm at, when I wanted to be a tattoo artist, yeah, you've just seen. I really wasn't that great. But what I did have, guys, is the ability to work hard and to practice at what I wanted to do. Now, because I was watching Miami Ink, I saw a few artists doing like realism pieces, and I just like gravitated towards me. Believe it or not, when I was drawing, I just used to draw like Sonic and stuff and cartoon characters, Donald Duck, Disney characters, all that stuff. I'd never actually drew any realism at all. So the Joker that you've just seen, I think, was my first realism piece that I ever drew. But because I knew I wanted to go into realism from seeing it and it gravitating towards me, I knew that I needed to work my tits off to get to where I needed to be sufficient enough to be able to do that on skin. Now, depending on the type of tattoo artist you want to be will dictate what you need to be doing. Now, if you just want to tattoo and you want to literally take a picture, a piece of flash off the wall and put it onto skin, then you really do not need to be that talented to copy a piece of flash and put it on skin. All you need to learn is the techniques on how to tattoo. But if you want to be an actual artist, then you need to practice on paper the direction that you want to go in. If you have seen cartoonish style tattoos, then you need to practice cartoon style drawing. If you want to be a neo-traditional artist, then you need to practice neo-traditional drawing, and you need to try and develop your own style, which is why you do not need talent to be a tattoo artist. You just need to be willing to work hard at the craft to get to where you want to be. You could literally start out only drawing stick figures. Like, you really could just start out at the base level of art, and as long as you are willing to work hard and you are willing to put in the time, you are willing to put in the effort, then I will guarantee that you will be good enough without having a single talented bone in your body. I think I might have said it in previous videos, but always remember that hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. It is a fact. It is a fact. You could be as talented as you want, but if you do not work at it, it doesn't matter. Whereas you can have no talent at all, have the work hard mentality, and I will promise you that you will surpass the most talented people. I am living proof, guys, that it can be done. Just a reminder, this is where I was at. And guys, look at where I'm at today. I am not the best artist in the world. I do not claim to be the best artist in the world. I do not claim to be the best tattoo artist in the world. But what I do claim is I know how to work hard. I know I keep saying it, guys, but you have just got to be willing to work hard and never give up. Never get distracted, and certainly do not get distracted by people with that natural talent. But guys, that is all for today. I hope you have all learned something. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing. Go over, check out my other tattoo tips playlist, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I upload a new video. But guys, I shall see you all in the next one. Peace!